Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is your girl Jasmine coming to you with a quick video in regards to Paradise Freebies Jungle Paradise. Now, this is definitely an easy way to actually make an extra income or some extra money on a daily basis, right? Now, I have actually got some good news here. Now, on the site, it states that it's $40 per referral. But actually, when someone signs up and they do their offer, you're actually going to receive $50. Now, in regards to that, basically, when you joined Paradise Freebies, that means you have to do an offer in order to actually start receiving the referral. So, like I have stated in my previous video here, aspiration, spend, and save will be the one to actually go ahead and do because it will give you that one credit and it will basically qualify you to actually start receiving their per referral. Instead of 40, it'll be $50 per referral. Now, even on the site itself, like I stated, it has $40, but it actually is going to be $50. So, like I said, this is some very easy, simple way to actually earn some money here. And the only offer that you can do to go ahead and get your one credit is, like I said, the aspirations card. But they also have more offers as well here too that you can go through and look at, as you can see. So this is something that you can definitely do to basically pass the time along, earn a little extra money here, even if this can be bill money for you, this can be food money, this can be gas, whatever it may be, this can definitely be for you. So like I stated here, aspirations is definitely the one to actually go for so they can give you that one credit. So basically all you're doing is you have to have a minimum of dollars. And it's going to stay here about you must read and understand the description and requirements as well too before you actually try it and go for it. And it's going to have a little video here as well too. So basically, what you do is you have to have Chime. If you don't have Chime, you can definitely click that link below and sign up for Chime. If you have like a regular bank account in itself, then you will actually link your bank account to Aspirations and go ahead and fund Aspirations with $10 minimum. I actually funded Aspirations with $15. So, and then you will actually get an email from Aspirations. You should get your card in the mail with maybe about 10 business days or so. But you also still be able to use the money off there because you will have a digital card. So, like I said, this is the easiest one to actually do. It's Aspirations. Just go ahead and click that link below to sign up for Paradise Freebies. Go ahead and do that offer for Aspirations and go ahead and fund your account for the minimum of $10. Like I said, if you don't have Chime, click that link below to sign up for Chime. Aspirations, you can actually link your bank to Aspirations so that you're able to go ahead and fund Aspirations of $10. So it's very easy, very simple to actually do. And all that will be below in the description. Also, if you have ever wanted to join Forex or thought about doing Forex, I have a free information group. So click that link below to join my free information group that is on Facebook. Definitely answer those two questions to actually be entered into the group. Two simple questions to be entered into my free Forex group so that I can know exactly where you found my Forex group at and so on and so forth. So basically it's that simple, you guys. I'm telling you, really simple. Do Aspirations. Get paid daily with this, you guys. Yes, you can get paid daily. You go ahead and sign up. You complete that offer in order to start being able to refer other people so that you can receive the $50 referrals. Instead of 40, it's actually 50. So yes, I did find that out, you guys. So most definitely click that link below. It's easy and simple. This is free. No hidden fees, no monthly fees, no nothing. Just definitely click that link to sign up for Paradise Freebies. If you do not have Chime, sign up as well too. That link is below. Talk to you guys later. Have a blessed and awesome day.